Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing your revision well. So children, now you have completed your revision till lesson 7. Today we are going to start the revision of lesson 8. What is your lesson 8? Save water. In this poem, what did you learn? That you should not waste water and you are going to save water. Your recitation you have completed and your oral is over. Now only written part is there. Let us revise for your exam for this lesson. See, here few pictures are given in your lesson, that is how to save water. You can see a boy here. That boy is watering the plants, and this girl in your lesson we must not open the tap and waste water while brushing the teeth. In the first page it is given. So two children are playing with water and wasting water. We should not waste water. Save water means we should not waste water. This is the main thing. The first part in this is, you all are now very familiar with the type of questions which are going to come in your exam, that is MCQ type of questions. The first one is fill-ups. Let's revise with the fill-ups. Filling the blanks with the words, helping words are given. Here helping words are given in your exam. You will be having 4 helping words and 1 will be correct. You have to choose the correct one and mark the correct one. The first one, we should not brush our dash with the tap on. What do we brush? Use your common sense. What do we brush? We brush our teeth. We brush our teeth. So while brushing our teeth, you don't brush anything else. You brush your teeth. So while brushing your teeth, what you must not do? You must not keep your tap open, or you should not put an open tap, and you should not waste water. You should not waste water. So here in the first blank, what is coming? Teeth. What is the spelling of teeth? T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Next, if we do not do this, then a lot of water is dash. If we do not close the tap, what is there? Lot of water is lost. Lot of water is lost. And what is the spelling of lost? L-O-S-T, lost. Then next, when we go to dash, we take a water bottle to, we take water in the water bottle. You take water in the water bottle when, where do you go? When we go to school. When we go to school. What is the spelling of school? S-C-H-O-O-L. S-C-H-O-O-L. Then next. But after coming home, we just dash the water which is left in it. If the water is left in your bottle, what usually we do? We throw the water. But we must not throw the water. What we must do? We must water that water into the plants. That we have learned. So we should not, remaining water also, don't waste it. We should save water. Remember that. So the water can be put in a dash. The remaining water can be put in a plant. In a plant. We can put the water in the plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Then, so we must dash water or else water will be lost. We must save water. What is the spelling of save? S-A-V-E, save. So with this we have completed the fill in the blanks. The first part is over. Question 1 we have completed. Fill ups. Now we will do question 2, that is true or false. True or false. Next question we are going to revise, that is true or false. Whether the statement is true or false. The first one, the leaky tap drips only during the night. If the tap is leaky, does the tap know whether it is day or it is night? No, the tap doesn't know. So this is false statement. This is false statement. The next, it costs a lot to close a tap. You have to close the tap. Do you have to pay for it? Does it cost anything for it? No. So the second one is also false. The second one is also false. Then we carry water in a water bottle to school. Yes, we carry water in the water bottle to school. So this is true. This is true. Then next, the water in the water bottle is not cool. Yes, it is cool. Why isn't it cool? The water bottle water is cool. So this is false. Then, water can help a plant to grow. Yes, water can help a plant to grow. So this statement is true. This statement is true. Then we should save water and let it last. Yes, we must save water and let it last. This also is true. So 2 questions we have completed, fill-ups and true or false. One more question let us do it today, that is question 3. Let us do rhyming words. Rhyming words. For one word you have to say the rhyming words. Let us do the rhyming words. We have to change the first letter and write another spelling for the word and write the rhyming word. The first one, day, hey, me, say, all these are the rhyming words of day. Next is night. Night, N-I-G-H-T, night, light, might, sight, anything you can write. Light, might, sight. These all are rhyming words of night. F-L-O-W, flow. Flow, rhyming word for flow. Tell. Glow, blow, slow. Anything you can write. Just you have to change the first letter of the word. Change the first letter of the word. Flow, glow, slow, blow. All these are the rhyming words for this. Then tap. You have many words for this. Tap, cap, map, lap. Or these are the rhyming words for tap. T-A-P, tap, C-A-P, cap, M-A-P, map, L-A-P, lap. All these are the rhyming words for this. Next, T-A-K-E, take, M-A-K-E, make, C-A-K-E, cake, L-A-K-E, lake. Anything you can write which is going rhyming with that word. Any word you can write. You have to write the rhyming word for that word. Game, G-A-M-E, game, S-A-M-E, same, N-A-M-E, name, F-A-M-E, fame, anything. In the rhyming words, you remember you have to change the first letter of the word and make a word. But the word should have some meaning. You cannot write anything you like. The word must have some meaning. Then only it will be correct. Otherwise, it will not be correct. So, in rhyming words also, in exam also, you will get 4 words. And 1 word will be the correct answer for that. You have to choose the correct answer and write the rhyming word for that answer. So, children, in this last lesson, you have done so many things. Save water. We have revised fill-ups. We have revised true or false, and we have revised the rhyming words. Now the thing is left is the opposite words and one story of the crow and the question answers. With this you will finish the whole revision, and then your exam, you are ready to do the exam. So today's work, you revise these 3 things nicely in your house, understand it, learn it, and I'll give you few questions for revision. Write those questions in the copy, and the thing I give, that will only come, that is not sure. You have to practice such questions and do those questions. I hope you understood what I did, and do it, and don't waste time And again I am telling the last thing, learn to read, then only you will be able to answer. Okay, so I'll continue in the next class. Till then, take care, goodbye, God bless you.